Hey y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do this bomb 3-layer flat twist style that I have here. And yes, this is 3 layers and it looks like just regular 2-strand twist. So this is like a little hack that I like to use when I don't feel like doing all the individual twists. Bam, just throw some layers of flat twist and we on our way. But before we get into the video, if you are new here, hey, hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, like always, I'm glad to have you back. Let's get into this video. So the day before was wash day. I didn't feel like doing my hair, so I just put it in 4 twists and put it in like a nice little bun and just let it air dry. So as you can see here, I'm just taking down that bun. I'm going to separate those 4 twists and get ready to style. Because my hair was bone dry, I like to dampen it a little bit with some water before we begin parting the hair. And then because I'm working with all my hair unsectioned, I wanted to section it with my fingers first before I refined it with a comb. And I tried my best to make these lines as straight as possible. Alright, I like to dampen the hair just a little bit more. And then before I began starting the twist, I wanted to go ahead and section out the front sides of my hair because I want to leave those for styling and twisting for the front parts. So since everything is all sectioned out, I went ahead and started with my first flat twist, and I tried my best to part straight down the back of my head. Then I went in with my curl activator. Detangled the section a bit to prepare for styling. I followed with my olive oil to seal in the moisture. And I went in with my trusty styling foam to help with twisting so my hair won't get tangled during the process. And then I begin the twisting process. I take a small section at the top, split it into 2, and then I begin to flat twist. And as you can see, my left hand is primarily doing the smoothing so the hair won't get as tangled. And then the right hand is just to stabilize the twist and keep everything from falling apart. So I'm going to zoom in here a bit so you can see up close what my hands are doing. Also, while you're flat twisting, try your best not to grab other hairs from other sections. Because you're working close to the head, it can happen. You can see I'm always trying to adjust and make sure I don't take hairs from the other section. And I continue to flat twist till I get down to the end. So now I like to detangle the ends. And I went in with a little bit of my favorite twisting cream so I can twist that free 2-strand twist. Alright, something I didn't show for the first twist, I like to actually go in at the root of the section and just apply a little bit of jam, and that just adds to the sleekness and the shine of the twist. You can see that like the darkness and the shininess of my hair really pops when I do this. And just like before, I take like a small section from the top, I split it into 2, and then I begin to flat twist. So as you can see here, I didn't add enough styling foam, so the ends of my hair as I was twisting got a little tangled, so I really had to work with that left hand to keep everything straight. So that's why I added the styling foam to try to prevent that from happening. Like I said before, I like to go in with my favorite twisting cream that I use for my 2-strand twist, and I twist all the way down to the ends and roll the twist around my finger to define my coil at the end. Alright, now on to the second layer. Okay, so as you can see here, the second layer, the twist is kind of offset to the right, and I did that on purpose because I want the twist to kind of be like in windows. I didn't want each part from each layer to like match up because I didn't want the twist to look bulky in the back. I kind of want to lay in separate sections so it can look nice and full. And so I followed the same twisting process with the product layering and trying to be mindful not to pull hair from other sections. And if you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can hit the logo in the bottom right corner or visit the description box and leave me some comments down below. It definitely supports my channel. I really do enjoy making videos, and I hope you guys are enjoying watching. And so as you can see kind of with the second layer, they're not necessarily, the parts aren't lined up directly. So it just makes it look a lot fuller in my opinion. Alright, now we're on to that top layer. I have all the sections out and ready to go. I dampened the hair. You get everything nice and sectioned off. As you can see here, I've done some of the twists already, and I want to take time to point out my twisting technique. So when you're doing flat twists, you can either use an overhand method or an underhand method. Here I'm showcasing my underhand method, and I decided to twist underhanded because I'm working with the top section of my hair. I have a lot of hair in this section and only a limited amount of space to get all of these twists in here. So I felt as though using underhand method would allow the twist to, look better and for the style to lay flatter, so you can actually see my zigzag design you're going to see soon. So you can see how I parted my hair with kind of like a zigzag, and you can see that better because the twists are twisted underhand. And so as I'm finishing this last twist, I followed the same process, and we're ready for the style review. Boom. And I decided to wear mine up in a ponytail, but you can wear your hair down or style it any way you choose. And you can see how full that looks. The twists are windowed and everything lays nice and flat and looks great. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my 3-layer flat twist video. If you did like it, definitely give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave some comments down below. Let me know what styles you'd like to see next. Let me know if you like this style, if you're gonna try it. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.